Today's Boostly podcast, I was able to delve behind the scenes and take a look at a Boostly Academy member's current marketing practices and give her 1 to 3 actionable bits of advice that she can be putting into practice right now that will help her totally thrive when the lockdowns are lowered and people can book. So what is a marketing review? Let's get straight into it. Let me share my screen with you right now. So again, what we're looking at right now is the form. So this is the form that I get everybody to fill in when they come into my world so I can figure out a little bit more about them. This is what is called the marketing review form. Okay, so thank you so much for Lucille for filling us in on her birthday as well. So here's what we're going to be doing. We're going to go through the form, and then what we're going to do is we're going to look at website. We're going to look at a few other things and see if I can unpack something that will help. We can give advice over to Lucille right now. First name, Lucille Hayward. Business is Morbely Lodge. Lucille is based in British Columbia, which is obviously in Canada. We have a worldwide audience here, everybody. How many years have you been running a business for? 5. Which of these best describe your property? Who designed your website? I paid somebody to do it for us. How many visitors do you get to your website a month? How do I check? Now that, when was your website created? I need a new website doing. Do you have access to Google Analytics? I believe so. I understand how important this is, but it's just on the list of an ever so big priority. Are you happy with your website? No, I need to change it. Which of these companies do you use for your online booking engine? ResNexus. So again, a question for everybody that is tuning in right now. Who do you currently use as your online booking engine, your PMS? Free to Book, Avivo, Little Hotelier, High Level Software, Booking Factory, Beds24. Any of them, please put it in the comments below. Let's see a little tally of who we got.